Razer. RGB. What else is there to say? Lots actually. These are the nicest monitors I've ever seen. The stands are made out of a solid piece of aluminum and even the back of the monitor is nice looking. So nice looking that I'm thinking about changing the placement of my desk so the back of the monitor isn't up against the wall. The cable management is also a great feature. The picture quality is superb, and with the 144 Hz 1 millisecond specifications, these were obviously built for gaming. The color and brightness are perfect. The only negative I can think of is that the Synapse 3 software only can control the RGB lighting on one monitor when working on the Synapse Studio. There is a workaround: you can use the Chroma visualizer to control all your devices. You don't have as many options as you do in the studio, but at least you can get all your devices RGB synced. I'm running a 1080T on the DisplayPort and wow! Does it look amazing? HDR is great, the picture is so smooth as the images move through the screen. Not a thing wrong with my unit either. No stuck or dead pixels. The joystick in the back for power and adjustments is spot on. I love how you don't need to search for rear buttons and hope you press the right one.